Nicole, Savanna, and I decided to film a tutorial on how to French braid, so here is the full tutorial.
First step is to dissect the hair into 2 even sections. Take one of the sections and put it to the side to get it out of your way. First, take a small section at the front of the head and split it into 3 more sections, like this. After splitting into 3 sections, take the section furthest to the right and place it in the middle of the other 2. Then, with the remaining side, place it in the middle of the other 2. Now that the section is braided once, take a section of hair from the side of the head and incorporate it with the farthest to the right. With that larger section, place it into the middle once again, like we did before. Now take a section from the farthest to the left and incorporate it with the section farthest to the left as well. Take that section and place it in the middle of these 2. Take another section and incorporate it to the smallest piece to the right, separate it from the rest of the hair, and repeat. If you continue to follow the steps, it should look something like this, and you can keep doing so until it reaches the top of the neck. Once you have one remaining piece, incorporate it into the braid and finish it at the top of the neck. Now that there are no more pieces to incorporate, finish the braid throughout the rest of the hair. Remember that you are taking the outside piece, placing it in between the other 2, and then doing the same on the other side. Once you have close to 1 inch left of the bottom of the hair, take a hair tie like so, and secure it at the bottom. And on the last loop, make sure that you secure the hair so it stays in. Take a brush and brush out the other side to get out any of the tangles that you made from braiding the other side. Take the same section that you did from the other side, matching the side on the left, and split it into 3 sections. Take the farthest from the left and put it in between the 2 in the middle, and do the same on the section farthest to the right in the middle. Make sure to take the same size section as you did on the other side to make sure that the braids aren't lopsided, and incorporate that into the braid as well. Now that we're incorporating pieces, follow the exact same steps from the other side all the way down to the top of the neck. Grab the remaining piece and make sure that you tightly wound it with the last remaining section and braid all the way through. Now that you have 1 inch of remaining hair, once again, take a ponytail, like so, and tightly wound it. This is what the final product should look like with 2 even braids.